those who are living in Kolkata are quite familiar with egg rolls. Numerous times we had this egg stuffed paratha from a street side food stall, and needless to say, it tastes awesome. Right now, when it is a bit difficult to have our favorite egg roll from a street food corner, let's make it at home. Here, first I am going to prepare the dough. For that, add a cup of plain flour or maida in a bowl. Next, add 1/4 cup atta or whole wheat flour. Now add a teaspoon of salt followed by 1 tablespoon white oil. Mix them all nicely. Now gradually adding water, make a soft and smooth dough. Knead it for 5 to 6 minutes. The dough is ready. Apply little oil on top to prevent drying. Cover and rest for 20 minutes. Crack 1 egg in a bowl. Fold nicely with little salt. Keep in mind that we have added salt in our dough, so add salt carefully in the egg. "20 minutes over. Take the dough and make 3 equal sized balls from it. Now roll parathas. Make it a little big because it will shrink a little when we lift it. Heat a pan on high flame. Put 1 paratha on the pan. It will take around 2 minutes to roast one side. Flip it and roast the other side. Now again flip it and add oil from the sides. Fry both sides until they are golden brown. Keep it aside. Now put the egg in the same pan. Spread evenly. Put the paratha on top of the egg and fry it by pressing all the sides until it is well cooked from both sides. Take it out. Similarly, make the other egg parathas. Now make the roll. For that, put some chopped onions on top of a paratha. Next, put some chopped cucumbers, add chopped green chillies, sprinkle little salt and pepper. finally, add tomato sauce on top. Now roll it tightly from one end. Wrap the bottom part with a paper as I am wrapping here. Tuck the loose ends inside the roll. Our delicious egg roll is ready. Enjoy it hot. If you love this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to get regular updates like these, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching it.